We're going to walk to Luang Prabang.
Good morning!
We are Silke and Kieran and we are on our 10-year honeymoon around the world.
And now we are in Laos, in Nong Kiao, and we are hitchhiking today to Luang Prabang with our 3 friends. We've gone up.
We started, the 2 of us, hitchhiking around Thailand. Then we picked up our 2 beautiful friends. Now we have another one adding on.
Yep.
So it will be an amazing adventure today.
And let's see if we can get 5 in a hitchhike. The most we've done so far is 4.
Yep.
So, yeah.
5 in a car, let's see.
Woo!
Got our first ride with 5 people, so that's a success already.
So funny story is that this road that we're on right now is where we first hitchhiked together.
Yes, 3 years ago.
3 years ago when we left Laos. Wow, I don't know if you can hear this, but 3 years ago when we crossed the border from Vietnam into Laos, we walked from Mong Noi to Nong Kiao, and then we got on this road and we hitchhiked from here to Luang Prabang. How
Feels
crazy.
like a deja vu.
Deja vu. But wow, who are these guys?
You got one person to civilize every year. Like 1, 2, 3 years ago.
Yeah.
And hitchhiking with
Oh, wait, this is not good.
Oh. He's going the wrong way. Okay, so turns out we're going the right way.
If he goes right, we're going the right way. Tuk tuk, vắng mong nè.
Oh, the car.
I don't think he's going any further. Okay, not so much further down the road, but he took us to the tuk-tuk stop where we're gonna get, not get a tuk-tuk, but super nice guy for getting us here.
Go chalalai. Okay, we didn't get so far, but it's something. My God, I feel like we're going to walk to Luang Prabang. We're 5 people.
Might be like that.
Yeah.
5 people in the van.
Woohoo!
We did it. Woo!
Crazy.
We're going here. We've got like 6 extra minutes in the car. That'll do. They took us to the bus stop though, which is super kind of them. But we are going to get there without buses. And we have reached some little village and are closer to Luang Prabang, so let's see. There's the song.
Better set a bitch just nine. They can not a bitch just hand.
We found ice cream and I brought her here. She came over. 5. 5.
So these are 11 pence each and you have a cute little ice cream. Super nice.
Cup chai.
Woo!
Cup chai. And then I was like, there's ice cream cones? What is this doing here? Oh yeah. Look at that. This is why we hit it. Look who's the healthy one.
Oh my God.
After a nice little ice cream break, we are ready to get back on the road. And yeah, I think actually I'm looking for more snacks. I'd love like the fried banana they do, like the little banana chips are so nice.
So tasty.
Like dried banana chips are so good. So I think we're gonna look maybe for some of that. But if we can get a hitchhike, then we do that. We thought one of the girls who were selling this, we thought they were flirting with Guy because as we walked past, she was like this. And yeah, it was. And I was like, wow, is that what they do in Laos?
Guess not.
Guess not, because we didn't get any of these. These guys got them after us, so.
I think we gave up.
Yeah.
Soon. Should have
We
just
should
go
have
for it.
committed.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're not picking them up. They're not putting it in the paper. Oh, that was fun. It's something to do when you get bored on the road.
This is like dream hitchhike.
We were lang verband?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Lang verband?
I thought we were actually going to lang verband.
Same, I thought it would take hours though to arrive with this, but it's so cool.
I think the consensus is that we're going to maybe walk further up this road, grab some food, and just wait there. In the UK you have Poundland, here you have one kip place, everything, one
One
kip,
kip.
and 1,000. So let's try.
Let's try.
Before, but we've had this before, but not like this. This is so good. Live like that.
Wow. These are good. It tastes a bit like cornflakes. You know those yellow balls? It's like honey.
Honey nut crunch, I think. Successful.
I don't think we're going to get to Lang verband today.
Wow. Power of manifestation, people.
Manifestation.
Manifestation. I think all the locals are placing the bets. They're all watching, and I think they're saying like, "I bet they don't get me here," or "I bet they do," or "I bet they're gonna stay with her tonight." I'm so sure that's what's happening. They'll be watching. That was the most epic thing. That kid was like cycling and like fell onto the like middle part of his bike, but like
His legs were hanging like,
and he managed to keep going.
for like 5 to 10 seconds he was just like in between, like almost falling, and then he just got up.
And then we were like clapping and we were like good, and he was so concentrated on us that he didn't see the GoPro
It
and
was like almost.
just missed the GoPro.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Good
You too,
luck,
guys.
guys.
We have decided to split the group because 5 is maybe too many, and we would just have another.
Yeah, we've been the whole day on the road, and we've only got like,
2 rides.
well, the one was like 30 seconds, and the other one was like 1 hour journey maybe.
Yeah, maybe just
So-
under. Yeah.
We still have like most of the journey to go, and it's like getting evening.
We've still got time. We like it says it's 100 kilometers to Lang verband. It says 1 hour on the map, but that's not going to happen. So I think about 2 hours at least. And I'm staying strong,
Yes,
staying
we'll
positive.
do it.
And if not, if we don't make it to Lang verband, it'll be an adventure.
Definitely.
So this car stopped, and it turns out our friends are in the back, and the guy has charged. They took it 100,000 for them to go to Lang verband. So I think we're just going to split it 20 each, and then we get all the way to Lang verband.
Yeah, I think there was another option. We could have stayed here, maybe slept here in the village, and then like kept on hitchhiking tomorrow. But it's getting darker. We're like, okay, let's just get there. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain. It's a bit cloudy. It's very
a
cloudy.
possibility. us just to the market, and now she's out to sell the market.
Food, I'm getting so hungry.
Once again, the sun is starting to set, and these sunset hitchhikes are becoming one of our favourite things. It's so, so beautiful. Look.
Also, just to see everything from in the car, well, on the back of the truck, you see people like bathing in rivers and little waterfalls on the side of the road. Children are playing, people are eating all together. It's really beautiful just to see like the community.
And we made it all together, and before sun went down. We're like 25 minutes walk outside of the centre, and yeah, what a beautiful time to arrive in Luang So I think we're going to show you around in the next video, but for now, if you're enjoying the content, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And we will see you in the next video. Yeah?
Thank you guys for watching.
Thanks for watching. Woo!